Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In Nairobi, Kenya, the aftermath of devastating flash floods has left countless individuals in informal settlements struggling to rebuild their lives. The cycle of destruction caused by flooding and fires has left residents feeling abandoned by the government. This video delves into the heart-wrenching experiences of those affected by the recent floods, shedding light on their hardships and resilience in the face of adversity. While this area used to be people's homes, all swept away. What's getting cleared back there, that debris that's left over, that's what used to be their homes. In these informal settlements around Nairobi, the houses are made of wood, they're made of iron sheets. They're very easily swept away when there's flooding, like what was experienced. It's a cycle. If it's not the flooding, it's a fire and then flooding and a fire. And it goes on and on and on. Residents in these areas, informal settlements, or slums as they're better known, often complain about emergency services not getting to them during disasters. The fear of more flooding looms large, with heavy rainfall predicted by the Kenya Meteorological Department. There's also flooding in other parts of Turkana County after Lake Turkana burst its banks. The lake has swollen to unprecedented levels, putting the lives of villagers who rely on it for fish at great risk. Floods have also wreaked havoc in the Nairobi metropolitan region. After nights of heavy downpour in Nairobi, 6 individuals have been reported missing after being swept away by floods and several households being displaced within made lands. Nairobi County government has released a list of flood hotspots where residents must vacate for safety reasons. The Kenya Meteorological Department has issued warnings of more heavy rain, exacerbating an already dire situation. Scientists attribute the increase in extreme weather events to climate change, underscoring the urgency of addressing environmental concerns to mitigate future disasters. In northern Arifta region, 400 families have been displaced by floods and roads and infrastructure have been damaged. Families are being supplied with medical equipment and drugs to curb an outbreak of waterborne diseases. The most affected areas in Kibera include Raila informal settlement with over 200 people living along Ngong River, the Canaan Estate and High Rise, and the Undugu area and High Rise. The Kenya Meteorological Department has warned of heavy to very heavy rainfall still to be expected. And the fear here is that may lead to a new wave of flooding. The Kenya Meteorological Department has issued another rainfall advisory for this weekend, urging residents to remain vigilant. Government officials have reported at least 70 people have died during the last month due to severe weather, with more than 11,000 people forced to leave their flooded homes. The lack of timely government response has left many feeling abandoned and vulnerable. President William Ruto called for emergency measures, with the Kenya Red Cross playing a crucial role in rescuing people and providing food and shelter to those in need. However, the struggles of residents like Grace Walru highlight the challenges faced when disaster strikes. She recounts the harrowing experience of enduring floods, food shortages, and thefts in the wake of the devastation. In Roysambu sub-counties, Zimmerman Ward, City Anna areas are affected, and in Kahawa Ward, Congo, Budalangi, Bosnia, and many other places are hotspots in Githurai Ward. Rai area has been marked as a hotspot in Kampukunji sub-county. Ili, Southward, and Kembu Estate are among the major hotspots. The county government said that over 5 areas in this area have also been affected. Bennett Ndijala, head of operations at the Kenyan Humanitarian Agency, said that the rains have created disasters for Kenyans. Kenya started experiencing rains in mid-March, but in the past few days, the rains have increased in intensity. The Kenyan Red Cross Society said it has recorded over 100 millimeters of rain in many parts of the country in the past week, leading to 6 deaths. Kenyan officials and humanitarian agencies have called on the population to avoid flooded areas, move to higher ground, and avoid driving when it rains. The recent flash floods in Nairobi have exposed the vulnerabilities of residents in informal settlements, highlighting the urgent need for better disaster preparedness and government intervention. As Kenyans continue to grapple with the enduring impact of the floods, it is essential to prioritize community support, sustainable infrastructure development, and climate resilience efforts. Let's stand in solidarity with those affected by the floods in Nairobi, offering assistance and compassion to rebuild their lives and communities. Together, we can navigate through these challenging times and strive for a brighter, more resilient future for all. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel for more content on global issues and community resilience. Together, we can make a difference. Thank you for watching.